Welcome to today's video, where we'll be decoding the mystery of heartburn. Heartburn is a common ailment that affects millions of people worldwide, and yet many people do not understand what it is or how it occurs. So what is heartburn? Heartburn is a burning sensation in the chest, usually occurring after eating, that can spread to the throat and neck. It is caused by the backup of stomach acid into the esophagus, a condition known as acid reflux. Now, let's talk about what happens in the body during heartburn. When we eat, food travels down the esophagus and into the stomach, where it is broken down by stomach acid. The lower esophageal sphincter, LES, is a muscle that separates the esophagus from the stomach and prevents stomach acid from flowing back up into the esophagus. However, if the LES is weak or relaxes abnormally, stomach acid can flow back up into the esophagus, causing heartburn. There are several factors that can contribute to the weakening of the LES, including obesity, pregnancy, smoking, and certain foods and drinks. These include spicy foods, fatty foods, citrus fruits, tomato-based products, chocolate, caffeine, carbonated drinks, and alcohol. So, how can you prevent heartburn? Here are some tips. 1. Maintain a healthy weight. Obesity can put extra pressure on the abdomen, causing the LS to weaken. 2. Eat smaller, more frequent meals. Eating large meals can cause the stomach to produce more acid, increasing the risk of heartburn. 3. Avoid trigger foods and drinks. If you know that certain foods or drinks trigger heartburn, try to avoid them. 4. Don't lie down after eating. Wait at least 3 hours after eating before lying down or going to bed. 5. Wear loose-fitting clothes. Tight clothes can put pressure on the abdomen, causing the LES to weaken. 6. Quit smoking. Smoking can weaken the LS and increase the risk of heartburn. If you experience heartburn frequently, it's essential to speak with your doctor. They may recommend over-the-counter antacids or prescription medications to reduce stomach acid and alleviate symptoms. In some cases, heartburn may be a sign of a more severe condition, such as gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, and may require further treatment. In conclusion, heartburn is a common condition that can be managed with lifestyle changes and medication. By understanding what causes heartburn and how to prevent it, you can alleviate symptoms and improve your quality of life. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.